We have seen the previous concept of quantum computing, and now let's talk about another revolutionary and futuristic technology known as autonomous supply chain. Imagine a global manufacturing company trying to manage inventory, production schedules, and deliveries across multiple countries. Previously, human planners spent hours analyzing data and making decisions, often reacting to disruptions instead of preventing them. Now, with autonomous supply chain solutions, companies like Unilever and DHL are exploring systems that can make decisions automatically, optimizing the entire supply chain in real time. An autonomous supply chain is like a smart system that manages itself using advanced technologies such as AI, machine learning, robotics, IoT, and digital twins. Instead of relying on humans for every decision, it can sense what is happening, predict what might happen next, and take action automatically. For example, imagine a warehouse where sensors detect stock levels in real time. The system can automatically reorder items, schedule deliveries, and even guide robots to move products, all without human intervention. If a truck is delayed, the system can reroute other shipments to ensure timely delivery. So an autonomous supply chain makes operations faster, more accurate, and less dependent on human effort, while improving efficiency and reducing errors. While the concept started gaining traction in the late 2010s, recent advancements in AI, IoT sensors, and real-time analytics have made it more practical and scalable. To understand how it works, let's take a simple example. Suppose a warehouse detects that a critical component stock is running low. In an autonomous system, sensors communicate this data to the AI platform, which automatically places an order with the supplier, adjusts production schedules, and updates the delivery route, all in real time without human involvement. Now we will talk about the uses of autonomous supply chains. Our first type is inventory optimization, where real-time analytics ensure optimal stock levels, preventing both shortages and overstock situations. Our next type is dynamic order fulfillment, where AI algorithms automatically reroute shipments based on demand fluctuations or transportation disruptions. Another important use is predictive maintenance, where IoT sensors monitor equipment conditions and trigger automatic service schedules to avoid downtime in manufacturing or warehousing. A top real case study is DHL. Previously, DHL faced challenges in predicting demand surges during peak seasons and managing warehouse efficiency across multiple locations. In 2021, they implemented autonomous supply chain technologies integrating AI, robotics, and IoT to automate inventory management, order routing, and warehouse operations. Post-implementation, DHL reported a 20% reduction in operational costs, 30% faster order fulfillment, and improved service reliability, demonstrating the significant impact of autonomous systems. So we simply seen how autonomous supply chain transforms traditional operations into a highly responsive, efficient, and predictive network. In a nutshell, it enables real-time decision-making, reduces manual intervention, and enhances overall supply chain resilience. Hopefully you found this concept very insightful. Now, this is a very important topic we discussed, and that's amazing learning I believe you have today.